For a 2-bedroom, this might be one of the better layouts for the 2nd bedroom I've seen. You have a good sized room. The one that I actually walked had this very nice kind of bay window action to it. It was kind of very cozy and classic feeling. It has its own ensuite here. Truly ideal for a plan like this where it's only 2 bedrooms. And look at this very large walk-in closet. Other thing I actually like about this is that kind of how it's tucked away over here, you're not looking right into the room. So it's kind of private off to the side. So when you actually walk in, your focus is kind of down the hallway here. Half bath, perfect when you're hosting and having people over. They're not having to go to, one of the bathrooms in the bedroom. You got the HVAC system inside. You got a decent sized laundry, and you have this awesome little pass through from the master walk-in closet to the laundry. This kitchen was nice. You got the sink and everything kind of facing the gathering room. You got a large pantry here, so when you're cooking and you're hosting and you have it, you're not isolated. The things that really sold me on this plan was it had the patio extension, so you had sliders here and here. You had just endless amounts of natural light coming from all over the place. It was actually really nice. This wasn't on site, but on the paperwork they give you this, they highlight this sunroom option. I grew up with a sunroom. My parents have a sunroom, and it's probably the most popular room in the house. Always has been, and it still is to this day. With the Florida heat and everything like that, and mosquitoes and everything else, and love bugs, it's a game changer. What I liked about the owner suite here is that it wasn't visible from the gathering room or any of this common area. You had the nice privacy because of how it's kind of angled off here. You got his closet, you got the door here, and then you got her closet, and then you got the pass-through again. Truly, truly a nice use.